No.
I don't remember what I was saying.
Oh.
We're actors. And for our first episode, we decided to play you a song because we love music and music connects to the soul.
You just send it to me.
Hi, my name is
I thought you had
Ramona,
this.
and I'll be playing
No, it's not as
forever.
good. God
This
damn
is
it.
Jessica. She is doing vocals.
Yeah,
Mom, you stay out of this.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. You can do
No
whatever
fucking
you want.
bong.
Okay.
Will we record another one where it's actually...
You just do what you
You
will.
Seriously.
Okay, this is...
We get it almost every night. When the moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural night. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fun and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
God fucking damn it!
I can't fucking see anything with these fucking...
You know what? I think this is just not a good time for us right now, Ramona. I think we need another day to practice.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
It's only
Viewers,
7
what do you think? We'll upload this tonight. You
No.
let us know, and then we'll get back to you.
No, I'm ready.
Stop this shit.